Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Unicorn Tarot Portal. I'm Nikki, and in this video, I'm gonna see how she or he, your significant other, is feeling about you. So please make sure to subscribe. Also, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, on any updates. And we will see the deck that I'm using, the cards that I'm using today is the Sufi Tarot deck, which is kind of a very special deck with a much heightened and very much ascended energy. The deck speaks from the deeper levels of consciousness and brings out the deeper aspects of the question you're considering or you're having. So it will bring something to light and bring something out for you that you may not have anticipated, or you will be very shocked to know. So the Sufi cards are actually very much spiritual, and they point out the deepest, darkest, or maybe the most unseen things out for you, especially in the romance readings, or especially in the questions related to love and relationships. So with that being said, let's go and see what is their true feelings for you. How are they truly feeling for you? First of all, I'm going to use the Soul's Journey Oracle cards. These are the Soul's Journey Oracle cards. And I'm going to see what is their energy towards you. First of all, first and foremost, please tell me, what is their energy towards you? The energy of your significant other, the one that you're putting your intentions on. What is their energy towards you? Oh. For some of you, I can see that this relationship is somehow some kind of a crush you are having on someone. And for some of you, it's been a long time since you've been in the relationship with this person. For some of you, I can see a breakup between you two. But this may be true, maybe not. But the thing that I'm seeing here is that you both have evolved from all the restrictions in the relationship. The thing that I'm seeing here is, let me show you the cards. The humor card came out. The freedom card, the peace, the self-esteem, the denial, the friendship, and the gratitude card. Generally, what I'm seeing here is a very ascended kind of energy. The energy is focusing on the brighter aspects, brighter sides of personality, and this person is actually appearing as someone who is feeling very much at peace and in the in an ascended level when they are with you or when they think about you. But they don't want to admit this to themselves. So they are very much grateful for you being in their life, for your presence in their life. They also don't put enough energy, or they are not putting enough work in this relationship because they don't want it to be considered something permanent, or they don't want you to think that they are forever. They are someone forever. Because they are not sure about their feelings and how you would react to them, and they are not sure about why they are feeling for you this way. You know, the feelings you bring to the table for this person is the feelings of peace. You bring out their self-esteem. You make them glow somehow. You make them laugh at life, laugh at the things that you might think that they are the issues that you are gonna be able to fix with this person. So you are like a companion in the sickness and in health, in the poor or richer. I'm telling you, you bring some kind of energy into this person's life that this person thinks that they are able to fix any problem when you are around them. So what I'm seeing here is that the amount of feelings you bring into their life is too much, that they are not sure and they are somehow shocked about the intensity of these feelings and emotions. So the act that they are putting up, which is somehow duplicate the act of being nonchalant, and also at the same time giving you hints and signals that I care about you, that I want you to be in my life. These are coming from the place which is it's coming from a place of being afraid of the unknown and what's gonna happen if I let my heart go of this person's mindset. They are actually wanting this to work, but because they are not sure why they are feeling this much intense, they can't really let go of their heart, or they cannot admit it to you or to themselves either. So what I'm seeing here is that they are grateful. They have a big gratitude for this friendship, for just knowing you, or for you that you're just in their life. And that's enough for them. As long as they don't lose you over some stupid relationship fight, this is great for them actually, because they don't want to risk it all just to know that the relationship couldn't have worked. So they rather keep this in the friendship level or a crush level, or even a long distance, or even not so intimate kind of relationship, some kind of a situationship. Because the thing is, the amount of good feelings you bring out in this person is somehow scaring them. It's scaring them from losing it someday over something stupid if you enter into a relationship or enter into something more serious. So this is their energy. You'll see in the cards why are they having this much kind of insecurity, because these feelings are coming out of an insecure place. Because if you are feeling somehow grateful for someone, for having someone in your life, and if you're having a very nice peaceful energy around them, if they are bringing humor, self-esteem, and freedom into your life, it's actually very much concerning why you don't want to move on to the next level. We will see why is that in the cards. And yeah, please tell my subscribers, what is this person's problem? Why are they avoiding, or why are they just being scared of entering or going up into the next level? What is their problem? Please and thank you. So the thing is, you entered into their life after a long term of being alone in solitary. This is the Hermit card. This is showing me with the Death card, this is showing me that this person have been through a lot. This person may have fallen into love. This person may have loved someone so much and they've screwed this person so bad that they are now afraid of any kind of intimacy. They are not healed actually. They are not healed from the past wounds, and that's why they are avoiding another trouble or another heartbreak. This is the exact thing that I'm seeing here. This person is coming towards you. The heart wants to come towards you. The heart wants what it wants. The heart wants to come towards you, and they just want to hop on their horse, ride towards you, sweep you from your feet. They want it all. But the thing is, these nice feelings are surrounded by death and the Hermit card, which are just showing me the mindset of this person. The mindset is, I am all alone, no one will love me, and everyone will hurt me someday. So this feeling may be coming from a trauma of a relationship, or this is much longer or much older than this, and it's coming from a bad childhood, some trauma during the during the infancy even, or during the 0 to 7 years of age. So it can come from a deeper place, but the thing that the cards are showing me is that if we want to talk about the heart of this person, the heart wants you. The heart feels at peace when they are around you. They want you with all of their cells, actually. All cells in their body call for you. This is for sure. But the thing is, they are so unhealed that they can't let go of those traumas, and they can't let go of the mindset that I will be lost, or I will be abandoned someday. So I want to ask the cards, what are your suggestions to my subscribers? What should they do? Because I don't care about this person's traumas, actually. I care about you. And being in a situationship with this much of feelings, it is not a good place to be, because it will mess with your mind. So let's see what are the cards suggesting you to do. Yeah, this is the place that you are in right now. Too much on your plate. At the same time, you want to protect yourself too from being hurt by this person, because the act that they are putting up is somehow it's like an on and off. It's an on and off situation. They come towards you, go away, come again, go away. And this is like a roller coaster of feelings, which is not a good place to be in, actually. So let's see what are the cards suggesting for my subscribers in this situation. So the thing is, you should try to have some fun. So the cards are showing that you can have other options. The Five of Wands is showing this. The Three of Cups is showing this. And the Judgment card came out. So you should confront this person from what they are missing. Maybe you should teach them, if you don't step up, I won't be waiting for you. I won't be just sitting on the window waiting for a day that you come into this alley. No, it's not working like that. If you miss your chance with me, if you just drag your feet just for the best moment to just happen, and someday maybe you gather your mind, make up your mind and come towards me. No, baby. It doesn't work like that. So what I'm seeing here is that the cards are suggesting you should put up a fight in a way that you show this person what they are missing out on. So you should be involved in the gatherings, parties, in social events, in the places that you get attentions from other suitors, actually. So you should be showing this person that you have other options. If you don't step up, I will go, and it's not a very hard thing to do. I'm not gonna just wait up for you until I grow old. This has a limit. My patience has a limit. So you should try to show this person that your patience has a limit. And yeah, I can see that these cards are showing you getting attention from all places. And this might just wake this person up to the chance, to the opportunity that they are missing out on. So yeah, that's all that I'm seeing here. I'm sure it helped. If so, please subscribe to the channel. Of course, like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.